That was so weak. Do it again.
What?
That was weak.
Okay, let me try again. I landed short on the raft. I can't hurt myself at the bottom. Was that better?
A little bit.
Ah.
You're just not very big, so you can't make a big cannonball wave. Come on, Jeanne. Do it, do it, do it. Okay, here's the trick. You got to bring your knees up to your chest and put your arms around your knees.
Oh, no, not both of them.
Yeah, both of them. That's what makes a big splash, girl.
But I need to plug
Come on, you're talking to a cannonball pro over here.
Mom, I need to plug my nose, though.
So what? Just do it after. Come on. Do it. Come on, I'm still recording. That's more like it. Say hi, Mary.
Bye.
Say hi, Jeanne.
Thanks a lot.
Say goodbye, girls.
Hi.
Bye.
Okay, bye.